So now let's get into it. How do you know if a company has a large short interest? How do I know? Google, Tesla, Amazon. How can I tell if a company has a large short interest? Meaning, what's happening right now, we're going to get into short squeezes. We just talked about what shorts were. Shorts were borrowing people from BlackRock is the number one company that's doing this. But companies like BlackRock, they're going out. This is a standard thing. They make money by stock crashing. They borrow stock, they sell it for a profit, right? So here we go. How can you tell if your company being shorted? Is shorted. We're going to use Yahoo Finance for this because I know any and everybody can get to Yahoo. We're going to go to Yahoo Finance. Here we go. All right. So right here on Yahoo Finance, I'm going to share my screen here. Right here, you go to Yahoo Finance. Let's say we're going to type in Apple, AAPL. Now, I should have wrote down the exact. So once you pull up the company, what you're going to do, you're going to go to statistics. Once you are under statistics, you're going to go straight down here to under share statistics. You're going to look at short ratio. What is the short ratio? As of January 15, 2021, the short ratio is 0.88. And the short ratio, what it does is it takes the average volume of stocks traded and it divided by how many shares are being shorted. So as of January 15, about 100 million shares of Apple are being shorted, right? So the ratio, you're trying to see the ratio. So the higher the ratio, the higher the short interest is, right? So now let's compare it to Tesla. So right now, Apple has a 0.88. Let's compare it to Tesla. Tesla has look it up. We're going to go to statistics. I think it was like a 1 or something like that. Right here, 1.09. So Tesla has a higher short interest than Apple. Let's look at GameStop. Let's look at GameStop. When I say GameStop, I mean when I say GameStop, stop. All right. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm supposed to go to statistics. So look at this, 2.81. GameStop has a double short ratio than Apple. Not Apple, but Tesla. So you can see compared to Tesla and compared to Apple, GameStop has a high short interest, right? So that's one way you can look at it. You can look at Morningstar is the one that's tracking that. But this is telling you how you can tell a company has a high short interest. This is a short interest is what is the interest short ratio, what I meant to say. The short ratio, what is the interest level of people betting against the stock? That's all what it is. People are betting against this particular stock in the short term, right? So that's one way you can look at the short ratio to look at what is the interest. So y'all hit that like button, that subscribe button, all of the good stuff. All right.